करूं ट्विटर पे टैग करूं फेसबुक पे तेरे क्विज में गूगल को बीट कर दिया मिरर में तू दिखता है नींद में तू टिकता।
It has been 28 years since Shah Rukh Khan last walked the tree-lined campus of his alma mater Hansraj College in New Delhi. He recalled his earlier days on campus as he received his graduation degree years after passing from the college. On this occasion, Shah Rukh, who was in the capital to launch the anthem of his much-awaited Yash Raj film fan, said he felt special coming back to the campus. It was a very special moment for him as he was back in college, which he left in 1988. He was missing only one thing, his children who were not with him, as he wanted to show them every corner of his college.
जबरा फैन हो गया मैं तेरा हाय रे जबरा फैन हो गया तो तुझे देखते ही दिल में ठंडन हो गया।
Presenting him with the degree, Hansraj College Principal Rama Sharma said the institution is proud of its superstar student. They had kept his degree safely in their college and were proud to bestow him with it after all this time. Incidentally, King Khan received the degree of Doctor Honoris Causa from the University Chancellor HRH, the Princess Royal in Edinburgh in 2015, a practice followed by many educational establishments to recognize high-achieving professionals in their fields.
तेरा यार है मुझको पुकार है जाने